there's a huge population problem.
Let's see what the scientific evidence says. In 1999, the world's population crossed over the 6 billion mark. In 1985, there were 5 billion people on planet Earth. In 1800, there was 1 billion people here. Everybody agrees there were about 1 billion people around 1800. Back when Jesus was here, the world's population was only about 250 million. It looks like the whole population growth curve started about 4,400 years ago. They said it looks like there's been a genetic bottleneck. The whole population was reduced to a few thousand just a couple thousand years ago. They're getting closer. Actually, it was all reduced to 8 about 4,400 years ago.
The year at 0 is 250 million. You take that back to the time of Noah, the population is only 8. The population doesn't actually start to grow that much until you get to the middle of the 1750s. Guess what the population was at about 1750? 500 million. Where have you seen the number 500 million before? The Georgia Guidestones. The Georgia Guidestones dictate that the population is supposed to remain under 500 million. And guess what? The population stayed under 500 million all the way from the time of Noah until you get to the year 1750. And then the population starts to grow exponentially. They want us to believe that from the time of Noah, starting with 8 people, we went 4,000 years where the population stayed below 500 million. And then all of a sudden, in the last 200, 250 years, the population skyrockets to where it is today, 7.6 billion. So we couldn't reach 1 billion people in 4,000 years. But in the last 200 years, we can go from approximately 500 million people to 7.6 billion? No. No. We're being lied to. So I think the population goes up, and then they bring it back down. They have a reset. It goes up again, then they bring it back down. They have a reset. It goes up again, then they bring it back down. They have a reset. And now we're right at the point where they're about to have another reset. If that doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what does. Not enough people are talking about the population problem. This is huge because the population problem breaks the matrix.
Because of the resets, we don't know what year it is. We don't know what century it is. We don't know what millennium it is. This calendar problem has us truly lost.
Morpheus, what's happened to me? What is this place?
More important than what is when.
When?
You believe it's the year 1999, when in fact it's closer to 2199.
Morpheus and his people believe the date to be close to accurate. They don't even know the exact date anymore. The year could be much further in time, or much less.
I can't tell you exactly what year it is, because we honestly don't know.
The Matrix is older than you know. I prefer counting from the emergence of one integral anomaly to the emergence of the next, in which case this is the 6th version. You are here because Zion is about to be destroyed. Its every living inhabitant terminated, its entire existence eradicated. Rest assured. This will be the 6th time we have destroyed it, and we have become exceedingly efficient at it.
And when you look deeper, you discover that there were 9 versions of the Matrix. As it has been said, they put lies in our textbooks, and they hide the truth in our entertainment and fiction.